Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Linskin brand, a dehumidifier with a 57 ounce or 1700 milliliter water tank. It will work with rooms up to 580 square feet, which is a pretty decent size. Has auto shut-off, continuous and manual drainage, and 2 working modes. All these dehumidifiers that from this company have a 60-day money back if you're not satisfied, and a 1-year warranty. And if you register your product with them, they will give you an extra year warranty. The product comes with a nicely written instruction manual, but it's extremely simple to use. So what's inside here? This has what's called Peltier or thermo-electric units. That's what does the dehumidification. There's no compressor here, it's done electronically. Now this is unique because the first one I reviewed that has 2 of these inside there, so it should extract water more efficiently. So these all work by pulling in damp air over the front of a cold heatsink. So the air comes in on the back right here. That's where the inlet is, and there's a little filter that you can remove. And you can keep this clean. It'll prevent large things from coming in. So the air comes in, there's a nice handle right here, and then it goes through these semiconductor coolers. If you look in there, you can see that aluminum fins in there. So they're placing 2 of those in there. Those get really cold, and then that cold condenses the moisture, and then there's a series of plastic sleeves on here that drops the moisture down into here. And that's how they work. So they're very quiet. When I turn it on, you're not going to believe how quiet it is. So this will remove from 20 to 22 ounces of moisture per day. And you could use it in any room up to 580 square feet, as I mentioned. Now keep in mind that that measurement is 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 80% relative humidity. So if you're putting this in a dry area, a dry closet, dry room, it's not going to extract water because there's no excess water there, so keep that in mind. Again, this is really quiet. It's only 39 dB on high and 30 dB on the sleep setting. And the auto shut-off is a sensor that measures the water. When the water gets too high in here, it's going to turn itself off. Now it does come with a drain hose, a 4-foot hose, if you want to have this continuously running. Or you could just use what's on here right here. So let's take a look at this. This is the back side. Oh, before I forget, it comes with a nice power supply, 120 volts in and DC out. And that plugs into the side of the unit right there. So but let's take a look at this piece right here. This pulls out, and this is what is going to hold your water. There is the plug. So if you remove that plug, you can put that hose on there by pushing it on there, remove the plug, and then that water will allow you to go drain it to a sink or a drain. But normally you keep that closed and the water will fill up in here. And if we open this up, let's take a look. You can see it has some kind of automatic shut off so that when the water gets high, it will tell the unit to stop running. That goes back on like that, and then this slides right back in place like that. Really simple. Let's take a look at the front of this. Let's remove this tube right now so we can get a better look. So here's the front of the unit, and you notice that it has a really nice, simple to see water level so that you can actually see the water level right there. There's the control panel. We're going to power this up now and take a look at how it works. Let's look at the operation. And by the way, this cord is nice and long. It's about 6 feet long, which is nice. So it's powered up right now. And you got a center power switch. You hit that, and the unit comes on, and you see a little blue LED there, and a cool looking blue LED in the background. So air is coming out of here. I could feel it. So it's coming in, like I showed there, going through that cooler, the dual coolers, and then air is coming out this way, and water is dropping with gravity. Now, if you don't want that light, you can double click that, and it turns that light off, just like that. Now, if you want to lower the speed, you hit that, and it goes to a really low speed, and then it turns the light off so that you can use this at night if you want to take humidity out of a room. Then you hit it again, and it goes back to high with the light on. Very simple operation and really quiet. So you're going to run it just like this, on a table, on a floor, anywhere you want to extract excess moisture. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to put it in a room that have a little excess moisture and let it run for 24 hours and see how it does. Here I want to demonstrate how little bit of energy it's using. I'm on the watts, and it's showing you that it's only drawing 39 watts to run this unit on high. So it's not going to cost you very little money if you were to run this thing 24/7. So here's where I'm running it. I always have water in my sump, and sometimes it builds a little mold. So I'm going to be using this to help extract that moisture out. So I have this running for about 26 hours. I haven't checked it, so I'm going to take a look and see if there's any water in here. Let me shut the unit off here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It sure is. About half an inch of water in there. So it's doing its job. I'm just going to let it run and keep that moisture level and that mold level down. So after testing the Linskin brand, their dehumidifier with the dual thermo-electric Peltier devices on there. Really nice. As I showed, this thing removed water, worked beautifully, and it's totally quiet. And I love the way it looks really high-tech. Very functional, very simple to use, and I think you're really going to like this, and you're going to be able to remove excess moisture in a given room or a closet or a basement. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section. Please use those links to order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.